Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel. I hope you are happy.
I hope you are happy.
I hope you are well.
I hope you are well.
I hope you feel better.
I hope you feel better.
I hope you enjoy it.
I hope you enjoy it.
I hope you like it.
I hope you like it.
I hope you understand.
I hope you understand.
I hope you succeed.
I hope you succeed.
I hope you win.
I hope you win.
I hope you smile today.
I hope you smile today.
I hope you have fun.
I hope you have fun.
I hope you stay safe.
I hope you stay safe.
I hope you stay healthy.
I hope you stay healthy.
I hope you sleep well.
I hope you sleep well.
I hope you arrive safely.
I hope you arrive safely.
I hope you learn a lot.
I hope you learn a lot.
I hope you find it.
I hope you find it.
I hope you get the job.
I hope you get the job.
I hope you pass the test.
I hope you pass the test.
I hope you have a great day.
I hope you have a great day.
I hope you have a nice trip.
I hope you have a nice trip.
I hope you come back soon.
I hope you come back soon.
I hope you visit us.
I hope you visit us.
I hope you forgive me.
I hope you forgive me.
I hope you call me.
I hope you call me.
I hope you agree.
I hope you agree.
I hope you remember me.
I hope you remember me.
I hope you trust me.
I hope you trust me.
I hope you believe me.
I hope you believe me.
I hope you can help.
I hope you can help.
I hope you understand me.
I hope you understand me.
I hope everything is fine.
I hope everything is fine.
I hope all is well.
I hope all is well.
I hope nothing is wrong.
I hope nothing is wrong.
I hope things improve.
I hope things improve.
I hope it works.
I hope it works.
I hope it helps.
I hope it helps.
I hope it goes well.
I hope it goes well.
I hope it is useful.
I hope it is useful.
I hope it makes sense.
I hope it makes sense.
I hope it gets better.
I hope it gets better.
I hope the weather is nice.
I hope the weather is nice.
I hope the meeting goes well.
I hope the meeting goes well.
I hope the team wins.
I hope the team wins.
I hope the plan works.
I hope the plan works.
I hope the journey is smooth.
I hope the journey is smooth.
I hope the food tastes good.
I hope the food tastes good.
I hope the baby sleeps well.
I hope the baby sleeps well.
I hope the results are good.
I hope the results are good.
I hope the project succeeds.
I hope the project succeeds.
I hope the day is pleasant.
I hope the day is pleasant.
I hope my family is happy.
I hope my family is happy.
I hope my friends are fine.
I hope my friends are fine.
I hope my dream comes true.
I hope my dream comes true.
I hope my work is appreciated.
I hope my work is appreciated.
I hope my efforts pay off.
I hope my efforts pay off.
I hope my idea helps.
I hope my idea helps.
I hope my wish comes true.
I hope my wish comes true.
I hope my future is bright.
I hope my future is bright.
I hope my parents are proud.
I hope my parents are proud.
I hope my health improves.
I hope my health improves.
I hope we meet again.
I hope we meet again.
I hope we reach on time.
I hope we reach on time.
I hope we have fun.
I hope we have fun.
I hope we find a solution.
I hope we find a solution.
I hope we enjoy the trip.
I hope we enjoy the trip.
I hope we finish early.
I hope we finish early.
hope everyone is happy.
I hope everyone is happy.
I hope everyone is safe.
I hope everyone is safe.
I hope everyone is ready.
I hope everyone is ready.
I hope today is wonderful.
I hope today is wonderful.
I hope tomorrow is better.
I hope tomorrow is better.
I hope this helps you.
I hope this helps you.
I hope this works for you.
I hope this works for you.
I hope this makes you smile.
I hope this makes you smile.
I hope this is useful.
I hope this is useful.
I hope life gets easier.
I hope life gets easier.
I hope your journey is safe.
I hope your journey is safe.
I hope your business grows.
I hope your business grows.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.